So should you be on TikTok? Well, stay tuned because I'm sharing 5 marketing tips to help you market on TikTok. ¿Qué onda, mi gente? Welcome back. I'm Jay Franco, and in this video we are talking about TikTok marketing. We are talking about TikTok because I feel like it's important to talk about it because, you know, marketers that are over 30 are definitely sleeping on TikTok. So what's TikTok? Because I'm sure that you've probably heard this buzzword and have no clue what this is. So TikTok is a social network that puts video first, and the videos are around 6 to 15 seconds long. You can edit them, you can add music to them. They are so much fun, and you know, it definitely is ephemeral content. It's quick content and it's quick consumable content, and I think that that's what makes the app so addicting, is that I can literally sit there for an hour and not realize that an hour has gone by and I've consumed so much of these 6 to 15 second videos, and they are just so time consuming because you just can't get enough of them. TikTok was formerly Musical.ly, and I remember my niece getting on Musical.ly, and I didn't really pay much attention to it at the time. As a marketer, you know, you should really be paying attention to all of the latest social networks that are popping up, but I didn't feel like that was relevant because there was a whole bunch of tweens and teens that were on Musical.ly. And now that I'm on TikTok, my sister, yeah, I'm gonna put my sister on blast. So my sister asked me, why was I on TikTok if it's an app for teens? And I said, there's a lot of 40-year-olds, and I happen to be one of them. This social network has over 500 million users on the platform. That's larger than Pinterest and larger than Twitter. So you have the ability to reach so many users on the platform. It is just incredible the amount of raw and organic reach that you can have on this platform. Furthermore, the average age group of TikTok is between 16 and 24 years of age. The second largest user is 24 to 30. So think of it this way. If you're a business owner and your target market is around the 24 to 30-year-olds, then you have to be on TikTok. And I'm gonna share with you guys 5 amazing marketing tips that are going to help you understand how to use TikTok and how that's going to serve your business by creating brand awareness and really targeting your target market within this platform. How do you market on TikTok if you have a business? First of all, I do want to make sure that you understand that TikTok audience is between 16 and 24. That is the largest age group on TikTok, and the second largest is 24 to 30. So if your business sells products or services those age groups, then by all means, this is the first platform that you should be on, and you should be constantly creating quick, easy, digestible content on TikTok. If your client is an older client, or like, let's say you're a realtor or you are really work with people over 40, then maybe TikTok may not be for you. But if you are a personality, an influencer, a blogger, and there is no age restriction, this is a great venue for you. And as I was talking to you about, here are 5 tips to marketing on TikTok. The first one is going to be to make sure that you do influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is huge. You know, being able to reach out to influencers on the platform so that they can actually promote, use, and sell your products and use them in their lifestyle, in their videos, is huge on the platform. So this is kind of like when Instagram first started having the surge of influencers. That's where TikTok is. Another thing is that, you know, there really isn't a lot of paid advertising. So you're going to be able to create raw content and reach out to influencers and use influencer marketing to influence your brand and to grow your brand. The second is to focus on trends and challenges and add your own spin to it. So look and digest. And that's something that I was listening to Gary Vee the other day in one of his videos. He's like, consume, consume, consume. And then literally do the challenge, do the trend, but put your own spin to it. Put your own, the way you see things, and try to do something different with that trend or that challenge so that it can go viral. So try not to do what everybody else is doing, but definitely try to join in on all the trends and all the challenges. Also, number 3 is to dabble with original content. And this goes exactly with what I was just saying about, you know, trends and challenges, jumping on there, but also don't be afraid to create your own content, to really start your own trends. And definitely for brands, I've seen so many brands start their own challenges, and this is where businesses that use TikTok can really win, is to create your own challenges as a brand and use hashtags to help diffuse your communication message for that particular video. So number 4 is, as I mentioned earlier, there are little to no ads on TikTok right now, so it makes you really help to focus on just getting out there to your target audience. You're able to just get in their face in a more natural, more raw environment. They're not scrolling through and having to swipe up through endless ads as you're seeing on Instagram and Facebook. You're not competing against these advertisements and sponsored posts. You can actually get eyeballs on your content by just being raw and being consistent and being authentic and jumping on the trends and the challenges and creating original content on TikTok. Alrighty, so number 5 is don't be afraid to be funny and to be yourself. And this is something I think that is very important as a marketer. And you know, when my sister told me you should not be on TikTok, I kind of felt a little maybe ashamed, maybe I'm too old to be on TikTok. But here's the thing, just being funny and just being yourself is definitely what gets people seen on TikTok. There are so many videos that I've scrolled through and that I have literally seen how they go viral, and they're just being their authentic self. They're just being funny, their own funny selves, and funny really does help go viral. So if you have a funny story, or if you want to do something funny, or you experience something funny, you want to share that on TikTok, this is something that will definitely take viral velocity and will help you get more exposure on the platform and help your brand and your business grow on TikTok. So again, as I was saying, if you have products and services in these age groups, 16 to 24 and 24 to 30, then you definitely need to be on TikTok. If Gen Z is your target audience, please do not sleep on TikTok. I think a lot of us are sleeping on TikTok, but here's the thing. When you're a brand in the presence of those 16 to 24 year olds, and those 16 to 24 year olds become 24 to 30 and 30 to 40 year olds, you actually become a brand that they can grow up with you with. So what am I saying here is, I remember my grandmother, she only uses Viva brand paper towels. She only uses Charmin, and she only uses Tide. And here's the thing, she grew up with those brands. And so again, when you're marketing, these Gen Zers are growing up with your brand, and they're more likely to become loyal as they mature and enter adulthood. So why not be present and be a brand that does actually cater to the Gen Z community and creates a loyal following? It's a fun way to connect with a new audience if you're not currently targeting Gen Z. So this is how you market yourself on TikTok. Let me know in the comments below if you have a TikTok account, and let me know. I'd love to know, it's the same social media tag. It's at the J Franco, so you can easily find me on TikTok. I'd love to see your TikTok videos, and I'd love to share them and even do duets with you. So como siempre, mi gente, make sure to like and subscribe as I bring you weekly videos that talk to you about DIYing your marketing if you're a small business owner by making your mark. mastering your mindset, and marketing it on social media. Como siempre, besitos a todos y nos vemos la próxima semana.